Alright, now in this video, what I want to do is I want to talk to you about how to scale up your new PLR business. Now, this is very important because you're not going to want to just start out or finish with just one product out there. And you're really going to want to grow your business. And I found that the quicker you can grow your business, the more money you're going to make, the happier you're going to be. And chances are, the longer you're going to stick with something. So, the very first way that you can scale up your new business is to generate more traffic. If you have a sales funnel that's converting well for you and is making you money, your first option is to go out there and generate more traffic into your proven sales funnel. That'll increase your profits for sure. Now, the second way, and probably a better way to grow your business, is to add new products into your niche. Because you're using PLR, because I've showed you how quick and easy it is to set up new products, you really should add new sales funnel all the time. Okay, there's no reason if you're a part-time marketer that you couldn't add 1 to 2 new products every single week. And that's really if you're not doing much work at all. If you were full-time, you really could add, several new products every single week. And that really is the best way to scale your business because, like I said before, when one customer buys something from you and they're happy with it, if you can offer them another related product, there's a very good possibility that they're going to buy from you and you're going to just be very successful. Now, the final thing that you can do to scale up your business is to, once you've maxed out the niche that you're in, is go into other niches and replicate your success. As you saw, there's several different niches where you really can make a lot of money, where there's a lot of products, where there's a lot of opportunity. So the final way that I would say to scale up your business is, once you have more traffic to your offers, once you have new offers inside of the niche that you're already in, go ahead and break into some new niches if you like and replicate your success of what you've done in this original niche.